Welcome in this video in which I talk about the biology of fruit flies. Fruit flies are by far the most important mango pests in West Africa. They infest over 300 plant species including mango, guava from the tropical zones, and peach and apple from temperate climate. Mango damages would range from 10 to 100% depending on climate but also on production conditions. Fruit flies are quarantine pests to the European Union. Because of that, there is an increasing production cost and also more requirements for export of mango to the European Union. The damages of fruit flies are due to the fact that the female will lay eggs on the peel of the fruit when these fruit get mature, and the larvae feeds with the flesh and disperses thereby bacteria that rottens the fruit. It is important to notice that in a single stung fruit, you'll be able to find a lot of fruit fly larvae. Fruit flies are insects of the order of Dipteria in the family Tephrididae. The main genera in West Africa are Bactrocera and Ceratitis. And the Bactrocera, dominated by Bactrocera dorsalis, the oriental fruit fly, is dominating the whole population in West Africa, making up of more than 80% of the population. The Ceratitis group is composed with Ceratitis cosira, dominant species, but also you can find several others like Capitata, Ceratitis falciventris, depending on the location. All those Ceratitis together make, in general, less than 20% of the population. Other tephritid species or genera could be also found depending on the site. The main difference between the Bactrocera species and the Ceratitis species is the fact that if you look at the scutellum, you have more yellow spots on the Bactrocera than on the Ceratitis. Instead, the Ceratitis species will have dark spots on the scutellum. Now, with respect to the life cycle of fruit flies, going from the adult winged female, it will lay eggs in the mango under the peel. The eggs, they look like rice grain, but they are tinier and smaller. When they hatch, within 1 to 3 days, they give birth to a larvae that goes under 3 stages, L1, L2, and L3. At the end of L3, the larva will drop on the soil and will transform into a pupae that we can see here in the petri dish. At the laboratory, when we keep those pupae for 7 to 14 days, we will see the pupae hatching and giving birth to an adult winged fruit fly that takes several days to be sexually mature, and then when it mates, it will be able to lay viable eggs. I thank you for watching.